exercise 5B. So, second bit, first question. Find the number of palindromes with the 6 digits. Second bit, first question. Find the number of palindromes. Find the number of palindromes with the 6 digits. With the 6 digits. With the 6 digits that can be formed. That can be formed. That can be formed using the digits. Using the digits. First one 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Second 1, 3, 5, 7. So first one 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Second one 1, 3, 5, 7. Actually, what is palindrome? First, we will discuss palindrome. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is a number. If we reverse this one, we will get 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse it, we will get 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is not a palindrome number. Palindrome means if we reverse the digits, also if we will get the same number, then it is called a palindrome number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, which means if we reverse it, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. This is palindrome. So palindrome means if we write it in reverse order also, we will get the same number. Then the number is called palindrome number. Okay, now solution. Given digits are so what are the given digits? So first one I am taking, second I am taking 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. After this I want to do this one. Okay, so first I want to write palindrome. If we write a number in reverse order, then also it is same number, then such number is called palindrome. Palindrome number. Example 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this is the example. So this is palindrome number. Okay, now so we need how many digits? 6 digits. We need 6 digit number. 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 digit number. So how many digits here? 5. I have 5 choices. Here we have 5 choices. So, but we know for palindrome number, whatever the first digit, last digit is also same. Whatever here it is, the digit, this for this here we have 5 choices, but here only one choice. Whatever is here, simply we write here. For second digit, again we have 5 choices. So last second should be same as this one, only one chance. This 5 choices, this have one chance. So this is the choices. So name choices of palindromes equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 124. Okay, now first one. So what is first one? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now so we have 5 choices. So I want to fix here how many choices? 5 choices. But it doesn't contain 0. If it is 0, it is not a 5 digit number, 6 digit number. So other than 0, how many choices? 4. If it is whatever here it is, we will write it here as it is. So only one chance. For this 5 choices, this one chance. 5 choices, one choice. total choices equal to 4 into 5 into 5 equal 25 into 4, 100. So there exist 100 polynomials with this one, 125 polynomials with this one. Okay, next. Second figure, seventh question. The seventh question is find the number of numbers. Find the number of numbers. Find the number of numbers less than 2000. Find the number of numbers less than 2000 that can be found. That can be found. That can be found using the digits. Using the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed. Okay, now find the number of numbers less than 2000. So less than 2000 numbers we need. Okay, so less than 2000, one digit number, all the one digit numbers are less than 2000, all the two digit numbers are less than 2000, all the three digit numbers are less than 2000 because 2000 containing 4 digits. So all one digit, two digit, three digit numbers are always less than 2000. In 4 digit numbers, some of them are less than 2000, some of them are greater than 2000. Okay, so we need to find all these in different cases. First, solution. Given numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the given numbers. Okay, so we need numbers less than 2000. First one, case 1. One digit number. So how many choices for one digit number? We will get 4 numbers. All are less than 2000. Okay, so number of one digit numbers equal to 4. Next, 2 digit numbers, case 2. 2 digit numbers. If we are taking 2 digit numbers, so first digit having 4 choices, second digit also having 4 choices. So total 2 digit numbers equal to 4 into 4, which is equal to 3. Case 3. 3 digit numbers. All the 3 digit numbers are less than 2000 only. 1, 2. So this having 4 choices, 4 choices, 4 choices. Since the repetition is allowed. Okay, if it is not allowed, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so total 3 digit numbers. Total 3 digit numbers equal to 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. Next, case 4. 4 digit numbers less than 2000. Less than 2000 means in 4 digit numbers, some of the numbers are greater than 2000, some are less than 2000. So when it is less than 2000, so it is less than 2000. It is exactly 1. If it is more than 1, it is more than 2000. So here only one chance. It should be contain only 1. So 1 having only one chance. So remaining 4, 4, 4. So choices here are 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. From all the cases, total choices equal to 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 64. 64 plus 64, 128 plus 20, 148. So there are 148 members. Those are less than 2000 with using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 when the repetition is allowed. Okay, next. First question. 9 different letters. 9 different letters of an English alphabet. Are given. Find the number of 4-letter words. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using these 9 letters. Which have first one, no letter is repeated. Second, at least one letter is repeated. At least one letter is repeated. Okay, so how many letters total? Given letters n equal to 9. So we need letters r equal to how many letter words we require? 4 letter words we require. Okay, so no letter is repeated. Then total words equal to, so if repetition allowed 9 power 4, repetition not allowed 9p4. So 9p4. Second, at least one letter is repeated. What is the formula? N power r minus npr. This is the formula. So n power r is the repetition is allowed. This is repetition is not allowed. If we subtract, we will get. So 9 power 4 minus 9p4. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next question. So next question is. Second question. Find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the number of 4-digit numbers which can be found. Using the digits 2, 5, 7, 8. There are that are divisible by first one 2, second one 4. When repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, we need to find out the total numbers divisible by 2 and 4. So first solution, the given digits are 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. So these are the given digits. So how many digits? Number of digits equal 5. Digits required equal 4. So we need 4 digit numbers. So from we choose 5. Okay, repetition is allowed. First one, divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, divisible by 2 means, so the unit digit is either 2 or 8 from the given choices. 2, 8 are the unit digit. Of course, 0 also. 2 or 0 or 8. So we have 3 choices. And this won't be equal to 0. It is not 0. Other than 0, how many choices? 4. This one 5, this one 5. So the numbers divisible by 2 is equal to 4 into 5 into 5 into 2. So 20 into 50, 300. So this is 100 into 3, 300. Okay. Next, divisible by 4. So again, I am taking. So if we are observing, so here there exist 2 cases. So 2 cases, because what is the 4 table? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. If we observe this 4 table, so before 4 and 8 even number, 4, 8, 0, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 4. Okay, and 4, 8, 0 before we need even number, 2, 8 before, 2 and 6 before odd number. So we separately, so 2 separated and 0 and 8 separated. So the unit digits is 0, is 2. So this is 2, only choice 1. So before 2, what it should be? Odd number. What are the odd numbers? 5 and 7. 5 or 7 for this 2 choices. It won't be 0. Now how many choices for this? 4 choices. There won't be any condition for this. 5 choices. In this case, 4 into 5 into 2 into 1 equal to 40. The unit digits is what? 0 or 8. 0 or 8. So if it is 0 or 8, so we observe now. So it is 0 or 8. How many choices? 2 choices. Before 0 and before 8, it should be even number. So even numbers, what are the even digits? 2, 0, 8, 3. Even. This should be odd. Okay. So it won't be 0. So it won't be 0 means how many choices for this? 4, 5. So choices equal to 4 into 5 into 3 into 2. 10, 30, 120. divisors of 4 equal to 40 plus 120 equal to 160. This is the required solution. Okay, one more problem here. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits. Third question. Find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which are divisible by 6? When repetition of the digits is allowed. Okay, so find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which are divisible by 6 when the repetition of the digits is allowed. Okay, solution. Given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are given? Number of digits given equal to 6. We need 4-digit number. And it is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6. What is the divisibility principle of 6? A number is divisible by 6. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 means 2 means even digit, last digit even. 3 means sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, first we need how many digits? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3. So first digit won't be 0. So how many choices other than 0? 5 choices. Okay, now this 6 choices, this also having 6 choices. Okay, now how many choices for this? Just I want to see. So it should be divisible by 2 as well as the sum should be divisible by 3. So I want to take 3 digits randomly. So 325. We don't know about this one. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus. So what we need to take? So it should be multiple of 3. Either we take 2 or 3 or 5. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, 12 and 15 are divisible by 3. But it is also divisible by 2. So 5 won't be divisible by 2. So 2 only divisible by 3. So here it must be 2 only. How many choices we are getting? Only one choice. Some other example we are taking 5, 4, 3, 5, 4 I am taking. So dash 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. This is 13. So other than this, 13 means again we either we add or 5. So that's why I want to take some other. So 5, 4, 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus, either it is we should add 4 or 1. 11 plus 1, 12. 11 plus 4, 15. 12 and 15 divisible by 3. Okay, either it is equal to 4 or it is equal to 1. So So if it is 4 or 1, it should be divisible by 3. But if it is 4, then only it is divisible by 2. So here also we are getting one chance. Here also we are getting one chance. So overall, whatever the number you may change, you may check. So we have only one result. So if we need to fit that one, so then only it is divisible by 6. Therefore, the number of multiples of 6 equal to 5 into 6 into 6 into 1. 5 into 6, 30 into 6, 180. So these are 180.